Okay, when you got your pancake, you're spreading on the syrup. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? All right, are you gonna eat that and enjoy it? Especially since you made it yourself?
Yeah.
All right. Is it yummy?
Guys, welcome back to Chelsea River. I'm and this is Jerry.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Today we're going to be making pancakes.
Yes, we are. So, pancakes. Good, eh? So, Owen, to his dislike, has got to learn how to make pancakes. Mostly because, I don't know about your guys' house, but Mom and Dad always make breakfast. So, well, that's about to change. So, Owen's 8 years old, and we figure it's time for him to really start buckling down on how to cook. So I'm going to help him make pancakes today, and we thought we'd let you guys be a part of that. All right, so let's get the show on the road. We have Mount Everest. Okay guys, so we made some sour milk with milk and vinegar, and we put the eggs in there, and we also did a bunch of other cool stuff with the other ingredients, mixed them up in a nice bowl. And now Owen is going to pour that content into the bowl. Get her done there, champ.
Where do we put this?
Elbow in there. No, I'll hold it.
Okay.
Go ahead. Whoa!
Looks like it's gonna be
Fearless, aren't you? Okay, now
this.
you gotta mix this carefully so there are no lumps. All right? Hey guys, so we're going to fire up the stove here. We're going to cook our pancakes. We have a gas range, whether you have a gas range or electric range. Get your parents to help you turn it on. So what we're going to do is, this is the front one. You see that it's indicated there. You push, turn, when you hear tick, 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 stop, let the flame catch, and then turn it on. Okay? Push in, turn, tick, tick, there's the flame, turn it to there. Perfect. No, it wasn't. And it can be very problematic if you don't know what you're doing. You can fill the whole house up with gas in the range. I want a ladle. I think the ladle's right here. Yeah. Ladle. Wait, that's dreidel. Never mind. Big scoop.
Wow.
Okay, dump it in there. Okay. Whoa, too much. Ah, baby, abort. Wait. We're gonna have fun flipping that over. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? No. At least he comes by it honest. Time lapse! Okay guys, so we flipped over the pancake and no one saw how it turned out. And now he really wants it.
I really want.
Let's see how the other side's turning out too. It doesn't take nearly as much time. See? I'm gonna sit for a little bit longer. So we find it's very important to know how to cook, because not only do you know how to cook out in the bush, you need to know how to survive and cook at home. Because one day, these little guys are going to have to go out in the real world. And then next thing you know it, you're going to have 1.5 million phone calls saying, how do I make this? How do I make that? Or they're eating pizza every night and you think, there's more to life than pizza. Remember,
Don't get lost.
it's awkward. All right, guys, please like, subscribe.
And share with your friends.
All right, talk to you guys later.
Bye.